Uber is working to pave the way to the future by using technology from the past. The first peg of Uber Air is called Uber Copter, and it's launching in July in New York City. The flights will be from Lower Manhattan to JFK. Instead of some new eVTOL gizmo, it's a standard helicopter they're using. The service announced at the third annual Uber Elevate conference held in Washington, D.C. this week. The chopper rides will be operated by HeliFlight, a current Part 135 operator. Uber is using the service as a means of understanding how to operate a high-frequency aerial service in an urban environment. And that could pave the trail for one or more of the 155 vertical takeoff and landing vehicles currently in development to be used for the next evolution of urban air mobility. And one of them is Jaunt Air Mobility. They are the newest airframe partner with Uber. The aircraft company was just formed in April, leveraging the technology and the concepts it bought from Copter, a company that you may recall long struggled to advance and certify gyrocopters for commercial operations. The company has worked to advance the technology behind the aircraft and assure that it meets Uber's requirements to be considered for its UAM program. Uber has set a number of parameters for potential airframers to meet, including, among others, a cruise speed of 150 miles an hour, 60-mile range, ability to fly 3 hours worth of 25-mile trips, and with a capacity for a pilot and 4 passengers. And company Safran is working with Uber to standardize the cabin and passenger experience for any of the airframes that make it into the Uber Air program. Thomas Lee is a vice president for the company. He says it's all about seamless and enjoyable ride for the user.
So we've envisioned a utilitarian cabin that is very easy to load and unload, to maintain, and have a fantastic, amazing experience. The seats are slightly moved towards the windows so the passengers are looking out the windows and getting a great view, and we're very proud of this outcome.
So my first time to an Uber Elevate. It's the third one that they've held, first time in D.C. Theme this year is all about certification and working in the regulatory environment as they try to push forward on this vision of eVTOL and how it is that we have all of these ride-sharing services by air. And it was interesting to see who was there. Secretary of Transportation spoke, the acting FAA administrator spoke, and several other FAA folks were involved in the panels. And so clearly they're really trying to work with government officials to make it all happen.
They are, and we had a number of staff there because, as you know, we in the Government Affairs Division, we're on top of this. We want to make sure they're integrated safely and then it's an efficient system. So we had a number of staff there, and they all reported that it was a really robust conference.
It was. Lots going on. Very interesting.